Well, it's Tech Tuesday again, so here we go. Today's topic is the Elite Self-Learning function. The Elite Series ECU uses a self-learning function which allows the ECU to continually monitor and adjust the tune depending on the current conditions. This self-learning function is present for all functions of the ECU which have a target value. For example, idle control targets a specific engine RPM depending on, let's say, coolant temperature for cold starts. Boost control has a target pressure which can be adjusted by the driver depending on how much boost pressure you're after. The engine's fueling, or how much fuel goes into the engine, is known as the target air-fuel ratio and is mapped in a three-dimensional table against engine RPM and engine load. In order for all of the closed-loop functions to work well, the tuner needs to set base values for each of these things. This is the tuning process. But what happens when temperatures change? When engine conditions change? When the engine wears over time? Well, this is where the self-learning function shines. The ECU looks at the target values, compares them against the actual values, and then looks at the base values set by the tuner for each of the functions. If the base values need adjusting, the ECU will then make these changes and put them in what we call a long-term trimming table. This way, all the targets set by the tuner are always met and the engine always runs at its full potential. So for the driver, this means the best idle quality, the best fuel economy, and most importantly, the best power all the time. Well, that's it for Tech Tuesday. See you next week.